In this tutorial, I'll be guiding you guys on how to get clients on Fiverr. So let's get started. So first of all, of course, you'll have to go to fiverr.com and switch your account from selling to your buying account. So you're just gonna click on switch to selling account so that you can sell your services. Alright, so once you're there, you'll have to click on your profile and go over to buying profile. So once you're on your profile, the main thing in Fiverr are gigs. So you have to make as many gigs as you can, and you have to give your services. So like this, people can get to know what you provide them, and then they can buy your services, and then you can provide them with your work. So that's the first method to make money on Fiverr. So you can create new by just going to drafts and clicking on create new gig, and you can create as many as you want. So that's the first way. The next way is by having your profile set up. So for example, you need to have a proper display name, a picture, a proper description, which also includes your linked accounts because that's attractive. You always have to make sure that your skills are updated, add your educations, your certifications. And if you have Fiverr Pro, then you can also add your portfolios. So in my case, I can't add it. Like if you have Pro version, then you can always add for your portfolios, and then people can see your work, and that gives you one step ahead of the people who don't have portfolios. So alright guys, that'll be it for the video. I hope it helped you out, and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.